Hello and welcome to Raymond's Craft Channel. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
I'm Raymond. And today we're going to make a foam ornament activity kit. So today we're going to use these. It's a foam ornament activity kit, and as you can see, we got it at the Dollar Tree. It came already with these little dog cutouts. It also came with a pack of everything we need, as well as the strings, because it's Christmas and we are gonna make an ornament.
What?
And it also came with instructions. So Ray is gonna get us started. Okay, Ray, so this is what you need for your craft, okay? You need a puppy.
What?
You can work on 2 puppies at a time if you want. See, we're gonna make this puppy dog. So first we gotta get his sweater. We have to get his hat and his ears. So let's start off with his mouth.
Mom, no great toys.
Here, let's start off. Here's his mouth.
Meadow.
Here's his sweater.
Cars, toys.
Yeah. Cars toys, Mater toys. Here are his ears.
Mom, no great toys.
These sparkles go at the end of his sweater. Here are his eyes.
What?
And this is the snowflakes that go on his sweater. So this ought to be real fun. Okay, Ray, so here, let's go ahead and get started. Here, why don't you start with his mouth? You peel off the sticker. You can start with his mouth. Mom's gonna make one too. Here's the instructions here. Yeah, start with his mouth. Good job. I'm gonna make one too. We gotta fill up the Christmas tree with these, right? Here, you can do 2. Here, do his mouth on that one too. This is so exciting.
So, car, toys.
So next we need his, let's see. Oh, we need his eyes next. So his eyes are all nice and sparkly.
Car, toys.
Here, Ray, here's his eye. Here's his eyes. Here, you can stick it on. Then this is the inside of his eyes.
What?
So we brought glue, but it doesn't even look like we're really gonna need it because I didn't realize that everything had stickers in the back. Oh, that's a nice touch. Here, Ray, I'll let you take care of it. And I'll bring the camera over so everyone can see what you're doing. Put the nose on. Wow, that's a really good thing to do. Okay, don't forget his eyes, Ray. We gotta put his eyes on. So this is really fun. I gotta catch up with Ray because he's getting ahead of me. So everything has stickers on the back, so that makes it really easy. I'm gonna go on and do the sweater part, which, oh, I see how his sweater goes on. Uh-oh, be careful. It's okay, Ray. You're all right.
What?
You're okay. Here, I'm gonna do a snowflake next.
Go!
Because this part goes on his sweater. This part goes on his sweater. You have to excuse our dog in the back. He's doing all the heavy breathing. Yet he's here with us doing crafts. Raymond has a library DVD order that we're going to go and pick up. And it's Pink Panther. He wanted Pink Panther this time.
Hippity, oh, diggity.
Yeah, the Looney Tunes Hippity Hoppity.
Hippity, oh, diggity.
Yeah, on DVD. The Looney Tunes Hippity Hoppity on DVD. Okay, Ray, I need one of his hats. Is this his hat? Oh, this looks different. Oh, yes, it's his hat for sure.
Yeah.
Are you rubbing it in?
What is it?
Yeah. These are his eyes. We got his eyes. I like the way you put his nose on, Ray.
Hippity, oh, diggity.
Yeah. We got to go get that from the library, don't we, Ray?
Hippity, oh, diggity.
Yeah. Here, put on his sweater. That's the one you need to do next, buddy. Just put on his sweater.
No.
And this is for his feet. This is so fun, isn't it, Ray?
What?
Oh, I love how sparkly it is. That's the part I like the most. What do you like, Ray? Do you like how sparkly it is? Raymond, Raymond, do you like how sparkly? Here, put your sweater piece on. Have a seat, We're gonna finish up our video. This is how it looks when you get it all done, so you can make it however you want to make it. And then the string is what you put through the hole. Go on and finish up, Ray. Go on and finish up. Go on and finish up. We're almost there.
It's gonna fall down.
We're almost there. Oh my, I don't think I did his hat right at all. I think I really messed up on the hat, but that's okay. A snowflake now for his sweater. You need a snowflake for his sweater. All right, guys, so here's my pup. And I'm gonna put the string through the hole there. Just like this. Yay! And then I'm gonna string up Ray's as soon as he's finished. And you guys are gonna see us put it on the tree.
Pink Panther.
Yeah, we're gonna get Pink Panthers. Pink Panther on DVD. We gotta go get it. The library was closed today, but it will be open tomorrow. Here, show everybody what you did. Oh, I love it. Ah. Okay, I think you just need to do the hat. I'm gonna do another one. This is so fun. So our snack for today is these apple, fruit, and grain bars. They are so good. They are Raymond's favorite. And yeah, that's our snack for the day. Ray likes them in all the different flavors. He likes apple. He likes the multi-fruit ones, Ray. Remember, we're finishing up the hat, Raymond. We're finishing up. Here, finish up. You forgot to put his eyeballs on. Here you go. Put on his eyeballs. Because we're going to need to put a string on it like this, and then we're going to hang it up on the tree. That's a good job, Ray. Wow, look at you. I love that. Okay, and now the top part of his hat, and then you're going to be done. We'll put the string on, and we're going to add it to the tree. Oh, yeah, there you go. Now you got to put your string on. You got to put a knot in it. Just put that knot in it there. Put the knot through the hole. It's okay. Do you need help? I can help you. Come here, Ray. I can help you. Okay, guys. Ray needs help. Okay, we're going to hang it on the tree. Where you going to put it? Oh, that's a good place to put it, Ray. Oh, that's a really good place to put it. Can you do mine?
There's a one.
Bye.